Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I like to unravel my braids and my cornrows after having a 2-week-old protective style. And I realized that I haven't done a video like this, and doing so is going to be very beneficial, especially for those that like to wear a protective style, but when it's time to unravel the braids, cornrows, twists, whatever style that you have done, it's very important to keep your hair still nice and moisturized and healthy. And this is how my hair looks when I did originally style it. So now I really want to show you how to really care for your hair when taking down a protective style. So I have my water here. It's going to be my base, and because it was midnight, I want to make sure that I really stay nice and hydrated. So my first ingredient is going to be water, because you really want to keep your hair nice and moisturized, and water is going to help maintain the elasticity and prevent your hair from breaking off. And then I'm going to add sweet almond oil, and this is one of my favorite oils because it has a high concentration of proteins and vitamins A, B, and E that really help with shine and preventing dull and dry hair. I'm also going to add a few drops of peppermint oil. I added about 9 drops to be exact, and peppermint oil is very beneficial because it really has an antimicrobial properties, and it's going to just allow the hair to thrive. And rosemary essential oil, you know, I love my oils, and rosemary is really good because it helps to strengthen the circulation and stimulate hair growth. So many of you know that my hair has been growing really quickly, and it's really because I have a really good diet and I use ingredients and products that promote hair growth and have vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that really allow my hair to thrive. So I'm going to spray a good amount of this mixture in my hair and also my scalp, spraying it all throughout on my scalp, my hair, my ends. So my hair is almost saturated with this mixture, and then I'm going to grab most of my hair so I have a little section in the back, and that is how I'm going to start. I'm just going to unravel these braids starting little by little. And I took my favorite Rattail comb, and I'm just going to take the rat tail in and then just try to separate the braid that way initially, and then I'm going to use the comb in just to get the ends of my hair to separate, so then I could just start to gently, and I'm going to emphasize gently, pull apart my hair. And I'm just pulling the braid apart really, and this is really what's going to help loosen my hair and help me to unravel the braids. And before anyone in the comments says oil and water do not mix, I have tried this for years, and this has definitely worked for me. I shake the bottle up really good, spray the mixture onto my hair, and my hair gets the oil, my hair gets the water. It works for me. I've been doing it for years. So please do not try to dispute this with me. And I wanted to emphasize that I'm being very, very gentle with my hair. So this whole video is sped up, and primarily just the repetitive parts are sped up because I do want you to grasp what I'm doing, but at the same time, I don't want this video to be too long. So I try to have a nice happy medium in between, but nonetheless, I'm being very gentle with my hair. And because I did spray a good amount of that mixture on my hair to really help moisturize my hair, and also to help with slip as I am separating the braids. So it really has a lot of slip because I have the oils in it, and sweet almond oil really helps me to separate my hair and still have my hair to be nice and moisturized at the same time. So my hair is not dry, it is not breaking off, but still I'm able to separate with ease. And I also wanted to share that I am using my favorite Rattail comb mainly to help me separate my hair. So I'm using the Rattail in, and I'm just putting it in between the ends of my hair, so where the braid was, and then I'm just gently pulling it downwards, and this really helps me to separate my hair. And then sometimes I may get a section that gets tangled like this, but I am going to very gently separate my hair. So I'm not ripping it, I'm not pulling it, and I really want to emphasize that because when you do that, you can very easily break your hair off, you can just cause damage, and you can get those knots in your hair, and that's not what we want. I mean, I know for me, that's not what I want. Being on a healthy hair journey, I really want to take care with my hair, and that's why I always emphasize to be very gentle with your hair, use products that work, and this really helps me to detangle my hair. Just this little mixture of 4 ingredients really helps, and it also helps with my scalp health overall because it has that peppermint and rosemary essential oil. It really helps. And then I'm just going to continue this process throughout the rest of my hair, and then when I have a nice big section like this, I'm going to spray a little bit more of the mixture on my hair. Now that I have finished unraveling the braids in the back section, here's how it looks, and I'm just going to detangle my hair using now my favorite wide tooth comb. I really like this comb because it's very gentle and I have a really good grasp on my hair. But before I do, I am going to spray a little bit more mixture in my hair. Like I said, I really want my hair to stay nice and moisturized with everything that I do, no matter if it's detangling my hair, pre-pooing my hair, washing my hair, styling my hair. And this is how I'm able to continue having my hair just look really nice and healthy throughout each process. And overall, my hair stays nice and healthy. It's not really getting dry. It really has that moisture retention in it, and I really aim to keep that in my hair so that my hair could just continue to maintain nice and healthy. And I know that the ends look a little bit raggedy, but I did trim my hair, which I had posted before this video. I wanted to make sure that my hair remains nice and healthy, so I decided to trim my hair. But I'm just going to twist my hair up and just clip it out of the way so I can continue to unravel the rest of the braids. And pretty much the remainder of this video, well, the next few minutes are going to be me unraveling my hair. But make sure that you do detangle your hair in sections. It's so important that you really take the time. I can't stress it enough. Make sure if you have like 1 hour to do this, I would recommend that you wait so that you're not rushing and then you start pulling your hair and then in the end cause more damage. So if you can just wait it off and just designate a few hours so you can just unravel your hair, moisturize it, and if you choose to wrap it up or wash your hair after. I chose to wash my hair. I just really love doing everything in one, getting it over with rather than lingering the process out. So really make sure that you do dedicate some time to unravel the braids, twists, whatever protective style that you do have. Then you can properly detangle your hair. I'm telling you, it is going to make a really big difference. And I know the side of my hair, maybe you didn't see it, but the sides near my ears, they are shorter because I had some damage and I had to trim them in the beginning of the year. So I trimmed it to a couple inches. So my hair was really short in that area. To me, it sticks out like a sore thumb, but maybe it's not too visible. I just wanted to make sure that I did get rid of any damage that I do have, but I'm not going to even out the rest of my hair with that little section because then I would have to cut so much hair off, and that is not what I'm trying to do. But I'm just going to continue unraveling the rest of the braids, being very gentle so that I do not rip and pull my hair. I'm telling you, be very gentle. Spray some more water mixture if you need to, and also you can add different oils as you need. I just find that these oils really help with my hair and my scalp, and I'm going to continue doing it. Like I always say, whatever works for you, continue to do that. And I'm going to continue to detangle my hair in sections. As I've already said, it is very important to make sure that your hair is nice and detangled. And I like to do it in sections, not just unravel all the braids and cornrows and then start to detangle my hair. No, I feel that it works really better when you just detangle in sections. So that way, when you have absolutely finished unraveling all of the braids and cornrows, your hair is going to be fully detangled. And it really helps with just making sure everything stays nice and organized. I mean, for me, I just love sectioning my hair. Like I said, no matter if it's before I shampoo, wash day, during wash day, styling my hair, everything that I do, I just really like to section it and then just give my hair the TLC that each section needs, because I have a lot of hair. I mean, I know that it's pretty obvious, but I have a lot of hair, and just working in sections just really helps me. And after I finish detangling the last section of hair, here is how my hair looks, and my hair is getting so long. I'm thinking about flat ironing it very, very soon. And also, like I said, I decided to trim my hair while my hair was in this almost like a blown out state. I just find that my hair trims better when it's like this. I don't trim my hair when it's wet. I like to trim my hair this way because I can really see what I'm doing, especially while my hair is dry. I mean, it's not dry like dehydrated, but you know, it's not wet. I also use hair cutting shears, and I do have a dedicated video. I have a lot of videos on how I cut my hair, but this is the most recent, so definitely watch this video if you like to. I like to have a heart shape, so that means my hair is nice and voluminous on the side, so I have some volume, and then in the back it goes down in a V, and I just really love this cut. And make sure to watch that video because I am very detailed in how I cut my hair, what to look for, how it should feel, and to get that really nice overall shape. Even if you don't want that hard shape, just having a really nice shape really allows for styles to come out so good. I like to trim my hair in threes, so the first go round is just making sure that the straggly ends are gone. Then the second go round, I really like to make sure that my hair is nice and even and that that blending line is good so that there's no choppy ends. And then I just really like to make sure that I have a really nice overall shape. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. And this is how much hair is shed. Bye!